the view for fire protection. So in this view, I don't want to see the chill water pipe. Okay. So I'm going to hide the chill water piping and mechanical equipment in this view. See, I'm going to hide this one. Okay, I have already created one workset for firefighting. So that will be shown and make the current workset as firefighting. FF firefighting. Okay, FF firefighting. This one. Now what I will do, I'm going to take the design drawing and I'm going to link into this particular view. So I'll take the design drawing. So this is the design drawing, right? This is the design drawing. This is a simple design drawing. Okay, here all the sprinklers are pendant sprinklers. There is no upright sprinkler in this project. Okay, I'll do one thing. We'll do the pendant first. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry, there are upright sprinklers, but we have another drawing especially for dedicated for upright sprinkler. Okay. No problem. We'll do that. We'll do the other project in which we have both the sprinklers. Comes under a single line. Okay. This is kind of existing project. Actually, before there was firefighting lines, but only there was upright sprinklers. So while updating or while after the demolition, they have added the pendant sprinklers. That's it. So there will be two firefighting lines for this project. One will be dedicated for upright sprinklers and another for pendant sprinklers. Okay. So this is the drawing for pendant sprinklers, right?
Okay.
Okay. Right. Okay. Hope you know about the detailing of how to connect the pendant sprinklers, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll try it as per the standard. Okay. First, we'll do one thing. First, we'll create the pipe routing preferences, pipe routing setup, and we will place the sprinklers first as per the design drawing or as per the RCP. If you have the proper RCP, you can directly link the RCP file inside this view. Okay. Actually, I have an RCP file. This is my RCP file. See. So this is my RCP file. Okay. Either you can link the RCP file first and place the sprinklers first. Okay, but I have already cross-checked with this RCP and our design drawings. Both are almost same. So I will follow the design drawing, the location of sprinklers in as per design drawing itself, right? So I'm going to link this one. Class one minute, Rajesh. രണ്ടെണ്ണം ഇങ്ങനെ വെച്ചേക്കുന്നതാണോ ഈ പറഞ്ഞത്? വേറെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ? ട്രൈ നോക്കി എങ്ങനെയെങ്കിലും ടൈപ്പാണ്. അത് അവര് തന്ന പൊസിഷനാണ്. അത് ഓൾറെഡി പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. യൂണിയൻ അതെന്തായാലും അങ്ങനെ തന്നെ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. പ്ലാനും സെറ്റപ്പ് ആക്കി വെക്കാൻ പറ്റും. അതിനകത്ത് എഫ് സി നീക്കണമെങ്കിൽ ഇച്ചിരി നീക്കാൻ കുറച്ച് നീക്കാനേ പറ്റത്തുള്ളൂ. അങ്ങനെ പറ്റില്ല, ഡീറ്റെയിൽ എല്ലാം കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് ഫോളോ ചെയ്യുന്നതാ. അത് കുഴപ്പമില്ല, അത് ചെയ്തോ. ഞാൻ വരാം. So Rajesh, so so this is our file. I'll do one thing. I'll just clean up this file. Let me take T1 T6. Okay, I'll just made a cleanup for this file. Okay, I'm going to save this one. And I will link the same. Go to insert and link. Put check this current view only, positioning origin to origin. Okay, I will link it once again. Okay. So this will be the link. Okay, it will be pinned automatically. Check this option. Now, next I will place the sprinklers first. I want the pendant sprinkler. So I think I have already given you the families for the pendant sprinklers. Okay, if not, I will provide it up once after I complete the process. So just go to systems, and in plumbing and piping panel, see you can find an option called sprinklers here. Okay, using this option you can load the sprinklers. Actually, I have loaded already the sprinklers here. I have the pendant here and then I have the upright here. Okay, so I'm selecting the pendant file and I'm going to just place it. Okay. Upright. Change this wrong now. I think we have some issue with this family. Give me a second. This is upright sprinkler, it is fine. But I'm changing to pendant sprinkler, it is not showing. Oh, sorry. I didn't change the elevation. I didn't change the offset value. So just without the offset value, I will give it and I will place in the same location. Okay. If you're not getting the center point, just type SC, show center, SC, and click here. Okay. I'll go to a section, right? Section is not showing here, so section option is hidden in UG. Just to create a section. Okay. This is our spindle and this is our ceiling. I will make. I'll use align tool. Okay. Either you can use align tool or the other option is just check the ceiling height either by putting this dimension line or just select the and check this one, select the ceiling. You can find the ceiling height level. Okay, and select the spindler and you can provide the offset value. Okay. And I'm making copy of this one. Like this, place all the spindlers. വേണം പറയാം ഞാൻ വരാം copy this file. Next, I'm going to create one routing preferences. In this project, we already have a pipe type for firefighting pipe. Okay, just try to make the pipe type same like as chill water. Okay, you can use the threaded fittings. For the time being, you can use the threaded fittings, the one fittings you used in chill water. Okay, we will finally, I mean, after some classes, we will try to do some fittings. Okay, create some fittings like there are lots of fittings like vectoric fittings, like groove fittings, threaded fittings, welded fittings. We have to arrange the routing preferences as per the standard used in the site or used in the project. Okay, we'll try this one. For the time being, for modeling purpose, we will just continue with the single joint type. Like we will use the threaded fittings throughout. Okay, so try to make the pipe type using the threaded fittings, same that you have created in chill water. Okay, and try to create a system type. By default, you will be having some system types here: firefighting, dry, other, firefighting pre-action. Okay, like that. Okay, this will be in your default template. Okay, you can use either any of them. Okay, so using fire protection wet, we can use fire protection wet. Okay, or fire protection other. Nothing, no issue with this thing. So, but make sure that in this, when I'm editing this family, this is the connector. Okay, in this connector, what is given here? System classification, it's global. Actually, it should comes under a fire protection category. Okay, like I'll do one thing, I'll use this one, or I'll use fire protection other, right? So in connector, it is set as fire protection other. So we will do one thing, we will use the system type as it is in the family connector. Okay, so I'll use fire protection other, right? And we have the size here. I'll start from here. We have the size here, 40. I'm going to give an offset value. Like I'm going to 3200. Just I'm going to route them. Here, I haven't created any filters for this particular pipe, and even I haven't given the materials for this particular pipe. And I'm going to typing systems. I'm using this one, right? Type production other. So I'm going to take type properties, graphic override, I'm going to give some color. Material option. I'm going to give a material. Duplicate it. Make it as fire. Okay. Rajesh, can you do me a favor? You guys just start fire protection pipe right now. Give me like 5 to 10 minutes. I will come right now.
Okay. Okay.
This is 40 pipe. Here it is 25. So do one thing. Use split tool, split here, and select the pipe. And you can change the diameter. Automatically, the reducers will come.
Okay.
And try to make it. Give the connection. Okay. Or just try to start it. That's it.